Improvement in crop yields. We all know that cereals such as wheat, rice, maize, millets, and sorghum provide us carbohydrate for energy requirement. Similarly, pulses like gram, chana, pea, matar, black gram, urad, green gram, moong, pigeon pea, arhar, lentil, masoor provide us with protein. While some oilseeds like soybean, groundnut, sesame, castor, mustard, linseed, and sunflower provide us with necessary fats. Likewise, fruits, vegetables, and spices provide a range of vitamins and minerals in addition to small amounts of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. For animals, some fodder crops like berseem, oats, or Sudan grass are raised as food.